Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and shapes name. And first, color name. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Yellow color. Which color is this? Yellow. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Sky blue color. Which color is this? Sky blue. And let's start. Shape's name. Triangle, square, heart, rectangle, hexagon, and oval. Green color, triangle. Green color, triangle. Orange color, square. Orange color, square.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
Red
sing
color,
with me?
heart. Red color,
A, B,
heart.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Yellow color, rectangle.
W, X,
Yellow color,
Y, and Z.
rectangle.
I know my ABCs. Next time
Sky
won't
blue
you
color,
sing with me?
hexagon. Sky blue color, hexagon. Pink color,
B, C, D, E,
oval.
G, H, I,
Pink
J,
color,
K, L, M, N, O, P,
oval.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Repeat again.
Now I
Triangle,
know my
square,
ABCs.
heart,
Next time won't you
rectangle,
sing with
hexagon,
me?
oval. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.